No, your house.
I don't have it money.
Yeah, no.
I did not bring money.
Got you.
It's Mutapit. Why are you asking the money?
Please, yeah.
Why are you asking the money?
I'm so Malaya.
Oh, what do you want to buy?
Malaya.
For Mama Leia.
Yeah.
What is it?
Pancit Canton.
Pancit Canton. But we have Pancit Canton in the house.
Hindi yun doon lang.
Doon, ibibili mo sa Mama Leia ng Pancit Canton. Doon sa store.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, let's gonna get the money first. Come on, let's go.
It's that way.
Yeah, that way. Oh.
Guess what?
What?
Yeah. Go that way.
No, not allowed to do that.
No, yeah.
Not allowed. Look at your face, it's supula na. Your face is supula.
Ay, yung bata, oh.
Oh, look at the bata. It's the bata.
Bata!
Come on na.
Uy, bata.
Sabi niya sa akin, doon daw ako dumaan, siya daw dito. Eh, paano pag ano ko kung wala na siya? Kaya sabi ko hindi allowed. Tapos pinapakuha niya akong pera kasi bibili daw siya dyan.
Dami na palindaro na. Iba dami nyo.
Di ba you have a store?
No.
Oh. Sabi niya, ibibili daw niya si Mama Leia ng Pancit Canton at saka pandesal. Walang pandesal ngayon. Tanghali. Wala silang pandesal ngayon. Ano? No more pandesal. Ano? Ano nandyan? Aywan ko ano. Opo, aywan ko kung ano yung tinda nila. Yung kasama namin. Oh, let's go. Go. Do you know where's your house? Back. Go.
It's bumpy.
It's so bumpy. Oh, go. Bigat mo naman. Go.
What's happening here?
Go, it's hot. Oo, babangga ka dyan.
I cannot do it. Wow.
Den, happy birthday, Den. Go. Oh, wag yung misay. Baka kagating ka niyan. Go. Ikaw, ah. Pinagnanasaan mo kay misay.